The first code we will be doing is to print the letter F. Printing letter F. So to start, I need to give for I in range 1, 8. And using the if condition, if I equal to 1, print star times 5. Print star times 5. Elif, if I is equal to 4, I have to print star times 4. So there is an error here. The error is I have to print star times 4. And to end, I have to use else print star. So I need to put star times 4. And when I run the function, we see that the letter F is printed in the terminal. The next code we will be doing is to print the letter N. Printing letter N. So to start off, once again, I have to give for I in range 1, 8. 1, 8. So using the if condition, if I is equal to 4, I have to print star times 6. Star times 6. Else, I have to print star plus an empty space times 4 plus star. An empty space times 4 plus star. So when I run the function, we see that letter H is printed in the terminal. The third code we will be doing is to find out if the letter is lowercase or uppercase. So lowercase or uppercase. So to start the function, I have to declare a variable called character, which I will give as ch. So ch is equal to input, enter a character. On the next line, we have to use the if condition. So if the character is greater than the lowercase a, and if the character is less than or equal to lowercase z, it is the lowercase. So I need to give if character is more than or equal to the lowercase a, and if this function is true, I have to print lowercase. So I have to give another if condition. Elif, if the character is greater than or equal to the capital A, character greater than or equal to capital A, and character is less than or equal to capital Z, I have to print uppercase. So print uppercase. else I have to print other, else print other. So when I do run the function, I have to give input instead of int. So when I do run the function, I'll enter the character and we see that